Hello everyone. So today topic is, can deep learning predict the cancer genetically? Yes, we can predict the cancer genetically with the help of AI. Is there is a possibility of cancer in our DNA? If so, that aids in a early diagnosis. If we are aware of this, so we will control the cancer disease, also control their death rate. This research will help for a future generation by controlling the cancer rate as well as the mortality rate caused by the cancer. For this research, for this research dataset, we will use a gene expression by tumor RNA sequence data. It is available on Google. You can download this dataset from the Google. The tumor genes expression dataset consists of a RNA sequence value from tumor samples belong to a 5 separate cancer type, for example lung, breast, kidney, etc. Also, for this research, the base paper is available, which is denoted as AI techniques for genes expression by tumor RNA sequence data, a novel optimization deep learning approach. With the help of this paper, you may know more about the dataset. Now I can show you my implementation part. How we can predict the cancer genetically. First of all, we have to import all the important library. After that, read their dataset, then do their data preprocessing. In this, firstly we have to set the target value, then split the data into their training and testing. In this we have a 70% training and the 30% of testing. After that, classification algorithm are applied. First of all, we have applied support vector classifier, then gradient boosting classifier, then decision tree classifier, then k nearest neighbor classifier, Gaussian NB classifier. After that, at the last, we apply the XGB classifier, then compare their accuracy score. In this, the XGB classifier gives the more accurate result. After that, do the plotting on the accuracy score base. After that, apply a deep learning algorithm. After that, we can apply a deep learning algorithm. Firstly, we have applied a VGG16 deep learning model. After that, evaluate the model, and here it gives the accuracy score is 91%. After that, apply another deep learning model, which is VGG19. In this, we evaluate the model. It gives an accuracy score is 43%. After that, apply another deep learning algorithm, which is a ResNet 50, and we evaluate the model, and gives the 81% accuracy score. After then, apply another deep learning model, which is a Inception v3, evaluate the model, and then it gives the 43% accuracy score. After that, do plotting on the all the parameters. Here we can see the deep learning algorithm not gives the more accuracy score more accuracy score. To improve an accuracy score here we use a bottleneck feature extraction. Here we use a bottleneck feature extraction. It extracts a feature from pre-trained network models like VGG16, ResNet 50, VGG19, Inception v3, ExceptionNet. In bottleneck feature extraction, it can reduce the dimensions of the image, and for classification we used a XGB boosting algorithm. First, we have used a ResNet 50 bottleneck feature extraction. It gives us the 90% accuracy score. Then use another model inception v3, and it gives an accuracy score, also given a same accuracy score which is a 91%. After that use a vgg16 vgg19 inception v3, it's given a 76% accuracy score. To improve an accuracy score here, we make a hybrid bottleneck feature extraction model. It extract the feature, firstly it extract the feature, then do the classification which is based on the xgb boosting algorithm. So here this is our hybrid bottleneck feature extraction model. Then here we use a xgb classifier, then evaluate our hybrid model. It's give an accuracy score around 92%. It improves the our accuracy score. Also the time complexity of model is low. Thank you so much.